I found this artifact completely destroyed and covered in rust, but it still deserves a second chance. I decided to restore it back to life, step by step. Stay until the end to see the amazing transformation. We first remove the magazine and unload the ammunition to ensure safety before starting the restoration process. Next, it is disassembled into small parts in preparation for the restoration process. The disassembly stage helps assess the extent of the damage and prepares the parts for the next stage of restoration. The parts are now placed in a chemical solution that will later help remove rust and facilitate the restoration process. Now comes the rust removal stage from the artifact parts, using sandpaper to smooth the surface and prepare it for the next treatment. Now, WD-40 spray is used to remove rust from tight and deep areas that are hard to reach, helping to free the parts and prepare them for the next step. Finally, in the rust removal stage, special sponges are used to level and polish the surfaces for a cleaner and more uniform finish. Now the grips are being restored, using an oily soap solution to clean them and remove damage, while preserving their original shape without alteration. In the penultimate stage of restoring this artifact, a special solution is prepared to coat the parts in black, giving them extra protection and a uniform final appearance. Finally, the parts of this ancient artifact are assembled, bringing it back to life in its fully restored form. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.